Another day in paradise. All coming together. The rain is starting to hit now, so time is of the essence. Got my doghouse set up. Got a husky on the way. He's Siberian with Alaskan. It's going to be pretty awesome to have a dog again. Son will be happy. All coming together. My huge ass burrow pit I'm working on. Not even near done. A pile there. It goes right into a spring, so I'm gonna have water coming in all these areas from the low areas, but I've managed to get a pretty good hole now. Still haven't hit water, so I'm lucky on that. It's gonna be an epic skating rink. Yeah, this is where I'm at. Still lots of material. I'm working on my big mountain that we can play on in the winter. Yeah. Yeah, lots of potential. I'm gonna put my garden here somewhere, right about there. It'll be freaking awesome. I'll have loads of water to use in the burrow. Lots of beautiful acres, by the way. It's all coming together. Cottage is going right by the truck. You can see the ocean through the trees there, but I've got about 10 trees to cut down and a few things to trim. And I'll have a perfect ocean view right from the window out of the cottage. He's chilling in my hot tub.